In this video, I'll show you how to record, edit, and produce 60 frames per second videos in Camtasia. Camtasia has the ability to record and export videos at 60 FPS, but you'll need to adjust a few settings to enable high frame rate recording. First, you can configure the frame rate for your current project. Make sure that the frame rate is set to 60 FPS. Alternatively, you can set the default frame rate to 60 FPS for all future projects. When recording, be sure to select the option to capture video at 60 FPS. However, keep in mind that recording at this higher frame rate may demand more CPU resources, depending on your system's performance. Make sure your computer is capable of handling the additional load. Export the project at 60 FPS. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.